So today we begin to talk about Agile techniques for BPM. And this is really kind of cool because we're going to talk about applying Agile to Six Sigma, Lean, re-engineering, and to BPM. The other thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a couple of polls here and there. And the polls will tell me how much experience you have in particular areas, which will allow me once again to cater to the group as far as, how much detail you need. What we're going to talk about today, we're going to review Agile BPM principles. We're going to look at Agile with Six Sigma, Agile with Lean, Agile with re-engineering, and Agile with BPM. Now you'll see some commonalities between those, and that's intentional because I want you to get this idea of here are the things that always have to exist for you to be Agile. So with repetition, I'm kind of drilling into you. What are those things that make your company Agile or are the most important Agile concepts? Techniques for Agile BPM project management. Functional decomposition, that's where we get into user story mapping. And we talk about now the techniques are how you would actually work user stories. So once the work is broken down and you're actually executing on the deliverable for the user story, those are techniques for how you do that or how you refine work. So there's two types of techniques, for refining and for delivering. Functional decomposition is setting up stories in such a way that you can then write them, and it's breaking it down from the biggest like the epic down to the smallest like user stories. And then we'll look at Agile techniques for working BPM user stories. Some of those you'll be familiar with, some will be brand new.